Good morning, student. We are going on the method of substitution and elimination and cross multiplication to solve the linear equation. Exercise number 3.5 we continue. Now come and try to solve some remaining problems. Just like question number 4th of question number 4. Fourth part of question number 4. Try to see. Question is, place A and B are 100 km apart on the highway. One car starts from A and another car starts from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet 5 hours. In 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet 1 hour. What are the speeds of the car? Student, practically you will see, let place A is here and place B is here, and total distance is 100 km. Suppose that one car B started from here and second car is started from here at the same time, and after some time they meet at this point C. After 5 hours, that means car A travels distance from A to C in 5 hours, and car B travels from B to C in 5 hours. So you can say that the difference between the distances, travel distances by car A and car B equal to A to C minus B to C. That means 100 km. So let us consider, let speed of car A equal to x km per hour and speed of car B equal to y km per hour. Therefore, ATQ1 5x minus 5y equal to 100. Now x minus y equal to 20, the first equation. And when they travel towards each other, they meet at 1 hour. After 1 hour, means travel distance from car A in 1 hour plus travel distance by car B in 1 hour equal to 100 km. Yani that means ATQ2 x plus y equal to 100. Now second equation. Try to solve it and find your result. Their solution, they exist algebraic method. You can select any algebraic method. That means we are going to solve this equation by elimination method. Then y is eliminated by adding equation number 1 and 2. 2x is equal to 120. Now x is equal to 120 by 2. That is 60 km per hour. From 1 x, that means 60 minus y equal to 20 implies that minus y equal to 20 minus 60 equal to minus 40, minus will be cancelled, and y equal to 40 km per hour. That means speed of car A equal to 60 km per hour and speed of car B equal to 40 km per hour. You can say, therefore, speed of car A equal to 60 km per hour and speed of car B equal to 40 km per hour. This is your result. Now question number 5. Now question number 5. The area of rectangle gets reduces by 9 square unit if its length is reduces by 5 unit and breadth is increased by 3 units. Let length of a rectangle be equal to x and breadth is y. Therefore, ATQ1. Try to understand. Area of rectangle is equal to x into y. Okay. According to first condition of the question, length is reduces 5 unit. That means x minus 5. And breadth increased by 3 unit, that means y plus 3. Then area is x minus y into y plus 3. This area is reduces 9 square unit to first area. First area is x into y. So ATQ1 x minus 5 into y plus 3 equal to xy minus 9. This is the reduces 9. For equality relation, subtracted 9 minus first area. Now, xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to xy minus 9, xy will be cancelled. 3x minus 5 equal to minus 9 plus 15. 3x minus 5y equal to 6. First equation. Now, second is, if we increase length 3 unit and breadth the breadth is 2 unit, the area increased by 67 square unit. ATQ2 क्या है? ATQ2 is x plus 3. If we increase the length 3 unit, 3 and breadth is 2. This area is increased 67. That means xy plus 67. Here, add second part. Now, go on multiply xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6. Xy plus 67. Xy will be cancelled. 2x plus 3y equal to 67 minus 6. That is 61. 2x plus 3y equal to 61. Now second equation. So you get two linear equation according to the condition of questions. First is 3x minus 5y equal to 6 and second is 2x plus 3y equal to 61. Now we have to solve it by any method, any algebraic method. So we apply elimination method to solve this linear equation. Now multiply by 3 from 1 and multiply by 5 from 2. Then 3 3 is 9x minus 15y equal to 18. Third equation, 10x plus 15y equal to 5305. Fourth equation, adding them, y will be eliminated. 19x equal to 8513 to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 to 3 by 19. 19 1 ja 19, 13, 133, 17. x equal to 17. Therefore, from 1, 3 into 17 minus 5y equal to 6. Now minus 5y equal to 6 minus 39. That is minus 33. 17. 51. And that is 45. This will be cancelled and y is equal to 45 by 5, 5 9 ja. So length is 17 unit and breadth is 9 unit according to the question. So your second part of question be also solved. Now come on. A reducible method to solve the linear equation. Students, sometimes equation gives in not a standard form. Not a standard form. So we try to reduce. We try to change the equation into the standard form. After that we will solve it. So just like first question of the next exercise. First question of the next exercise. Just like 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y equal to 2. 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y, 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y equal to 13 by 6. Suppose that these two equations, it is not in the standard form, so we consider let 1 by x equal to u, 1 by y equal to v. So equation going to be changed. 1 by 2u, 1 by 3v equal to 2. Now 3u plus 2v equal to 12. Taking LCM. After taking LCM you will get this. Similarly, 1 by 3u, 1 by 2v equal to 13 by 6. Now 2u plus 3v equal to 13. Now second equation, it is also can be find by the taking LCM. Now we will solve these equation. Equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 and 2. So 3u plus 2v equal to 12. Now 2u plus 3v equal to 13. Multiply by 3 into 2, that is 9u plus 6v equal to 36, and 4u plus 6v equal to 26. Subtracting equation number 3 and 4, we get 5u equal to 10. Now u equal to 10 by 5, that is 2. From 1, 3 into 2 plus 2v equal to 12. Now 2v equal to 12 minus 6 equal to 6. Now v equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Students, we have find the value of u and v, but our target is to find the value of x and y, not u and v. So substitute, since 1 by x equal to u, now 1 by x is equal to u means 2, now x is equal to 1 by 2. And 1 by y equal to v, 1 upon y equal to 3, now y is equal to 1 by 3. This is your answer. X is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. this method is called a reducible method. Reducible means to change the present form of an equation into the standard form, after that solve. Just like question number, second part of the first question, 1 2 by root of x plus 3 by root of y. Let us consider 1 upon root of x is equal to u and 1 upon root of y is equal to v. So your equation be going on 2u plus 3v equal to 2 and 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Solve it by elimination, substitution or cross multiplication and try to find the value of u and v. After that, substitute in place of u 1 by root of x and solve it, find the value of x. And after that, substitute 1 upon y in place of v, 1 upon root of y in place of v, solve and try to find the value of x and y. So you can do it. And I hope that you will try to solve the question exercise of 3.6 and I will continue this exercise in next online classes. So I stop here and I hope that you will try to complete your homework. Thank you.